Welcome back. Today we're diving into day 5 of our financial journey, focusing on creating a budget that works specifically for you. You see, a good budget isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a tool that should reflect your personal priorities and lifestyle. Your budget is like a financial fingerprint, unique to you. Let's break it down. Start with your income, then allocate funds based on your needs and goals. Essential expenses come first, but don't forget to carve out space for what brings you joy and fulfillment. Now here's the key. A working budget is flexible and grows with you. Life changes and so should your budget. Regular reviews and adjustments ensure it remains relevant and effective. Adjusting your budget isn't a sign of failure. It's a mark of proactive financial management. Whether it's a salary change, unexpected expenses, or a new financial goal, your budget should evolve to reflect those changes. Remember, your budget is a powerful tool to control your finances, not a constraint. Embrace its flexibility and let it guide you towards financial well-being and freedom. If you're interested in this guide for financial empowerment, see my link in the bio. EmpowerHer Wealth. Join us tomorrow as we explore smart saving strategies. Happy budgeting!